All right, so basically today, I mean, you can't really see how high it is, but it's got to be at least 30-40 feet. That tree right there is our goal, little brush. We're gonna get our Buick, the perfect shaped Buick, and drive it straight off that to see how fast we can get it to go. And that's basically what we're trying to do today. So stay tuned. Just gonna show this thing off so everyone can get all butt hurt.
It's pretty nice.
It's getting wrecked.
Nothing wrong with the interior. Heated seats, power seats.
What's neat is how everything works.
It's honestly, I like actually mint.
Playing bumper cars and mess the rear bumper up, but I don't know how you don't expect to do that with bumper cars. Toby, what are your thoughts on
how good the mirror works?
that one? Yeah, you were showing me earlier. You ever show me again?
Oh, like the inside mirror.
Oh, all right.
Like you can just take your mirror down right like this.
Yep.
And then you just.
Oh, really? That was pretty cool.
Yeah, and then you can like look at yourself from all kinds of angles.
Really? I know you're showing me the
Well, yeah, this one,
outside mirror earlier.
This one, it's already kind of like off, but you just, and then it's fine.
Yeah,
It's
it does
parallel
seem
parking.
to work pretty good. Bumper cars. Yeah.
No, I just spilled my Powerade.
Yeah, you spilled it on me earlier.
Did I?
Yeah.
It's because I lost the lid.
Pretty. Oh, all right.
You
Well,
can see if the windshield wipers work.
yeah. I mean, they do. Everything works phenomenally. All right. So basically, our goal is to hit that and go straight off this hill. So it should work. Hopefully, we'll tie the steering wheel up and we'll go from there. But if all goes as planned, it'll work great. So hopefully all goes as planned. This should work. What do you think, Toby?
I don't see really what could go wrong.
All right, we got our high idle stick. All right, so in theory this should work. All right, let's see what we can do here. Take our jump pack out. Yeah, I'll set the high idle here. Bring this down more.
Holy! Oh my god! Oh shit! Yo, that was fucking sweet.
I would say it is no longer a perfect car. So we hit right where it was planned, and it got some decent distance. Nice solid impact. Toby, we have quite a few parts scattered throughout.
If anybody wants like their yard landscaped like this, just text us.
Yeah, I mean,
We'll do it.
we do pretty solid landscaping work. Got a bumper for anyone that needs a bumper for their Buick.
Good condition. One owner, no scratches or anything.
I mean, it's got dirt on it, but that's about it.
Yeah. It's like malleable too, so you can like just pretty much put it on any car you want.
That is true. Fits multiple vehicles.
Still fucking run. Oh my god, Bucket, can you go back anymore?
Too late. So this is the aftermath, and it's kind of unfortunate. There wasn't anything wrong with this at all, but at least now it's a good like lawn ornament. Our 4-ways are on just to make sure anybody knows that like got to be safe or whatnot, so they don't hit it and mess it up. And it's still got solid tires. Still doing good. The interior is still half decent, but not doing too well. So if you like what you see, I'd say give her a like, leave a comment, and share with some of your friends. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. There'll be plenty more.